Hola, I am Chris,
And I am Elena,
and
and
we
we are
are
the
missionary
missionary
couples,
couple from
Cebu,
Cebu, Philippines.
Philippines. The Bible passage that help us in our journey as a couple and a missionary couple is from Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 7 to 8. The Lord did not love you and chose you because you outnumbered other people. You were the smallest nation on earth, but the Lord loved you and wanted to keep the promise that He made to your ancestors. This passage has deeply accompanied us in our journey as a couple, as parents, and as a missionary couple. I have come to understand that God chose me to be the husband of Elena and the father of our four children, not because I am the best husband or the best father, but simply because He loves me. His choice was not based on my capacity, my strengths, or my merits. It was rooted in His love. Elena and our children are among the greatest gifts God has entrusted to me, and it is His love that continually transforms me, shaping me to become a more suitable spouse for Elena and a more responsible and loving father to our children.
The same is true in our calling as a missionary couple. God knows our reality. He knows our limitations, that we have children, we have regular jobs, and our daily responsibilities. Jesus knows that being a missionary couple demands availability, sacrifice, and dedication to the mission. And yet, He chose us. Not because we are the most capable or the most talented couple, but because He loves us. His love and grace have strengthened and sustained us, especially during our most difficult times. And this reminds me that God chooses each one of us because His love is greater than our weaknesses and stronger than our limitations. His love calls, His love sustains, His love remains, and He will remain with us until the end. We give thanks for the life of Jaime, for his total yes and faithfulness to God until the end.
Gracias.
Adios.
Adiós.